In my younger days, I was very athletic, ran marathons, triathlons. My life changed after I blew out a couple discs pouring concrete, couldn't run, just wasn't the same after that. When the kids were younger, it was basically like every other family. Baseball, soccer, basketball. Sports for them was a major deal. As I aged, the limitations were just how much stiffness and pain I was going to have the next couple of days after it. I mean, I would just suck it up and then walk around like I was a question mark, kind of curled up. I could walk between 500 and 800 steps, and then my legs would start falling asleep, tingling. It wasn't until probably a year and a half ago that it got so bad that I really couldn't even function anymore. During the past 30 years, I had a relationship with Dr. Crowe at Twin City Orthopedics. Asked me if I could get on my tippy toes. I'm not that bad out of shape. And I literally fell to the ground. If you've ever met Dr. Crowe, he's very reassuring and very direct. And he basically told me the words I needed to hear. He goes, yeah, this is fixable. You need decompression surgery for your spine. I knew at 60 years old I couldn't live like this. I had my surgery in Maple Grove. New facility, very, very nice. People were friendly. You know, everyone I met from every aspect of the surgery was fantastic. We got out of the hospital in a couple days. I first realized everything was pretty good when I felt my toe that I haven't felt for 30 years that wasn't numb anymore. My wife and I like to walk. We travel. We went to Florida last year, and I was able to walk down the beach with no pain, no numbness, no discomfort. We don't have to worry about where we're going to park, or they don't have to drop the old man off at the door and then they go park. I mean, those things we don't have to worry about anymore. And being active and doing things is not a second thought. I owe Dr. Crowe and TCO a great deal of appreciation. I literally believe that I got a second chance, another opportunity to enjoy life as much as a 60-something-year-old man can.